वेरी ब्रीफली अगर GM डाइट के बारे में बात करें, वहाँ पे एवरी डे देर इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग यू आर ईटिंग. सम डेज यू आर ईटिंग ओनली वेजिटेबल्स, देर आर डेज जहाँ पे यू ईटिंग ओनली फ्रूट्स, देर आर डेज वहाँ तो देर इज़ अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ फूड दैट यू ईटिंग एवरी डे. आई थिंक 500-600 कैलोरीज कुछ मैक्सिमम होगी दिन की. एंड दिस वॉज यू डूइंग. इवन व्हाट आई रिमेंबर, यू टुक इट टू एक्सट्रीम जहाँ पे you were eating one apple a day.
So I would have like yogurt. And honestly, please don't do this. This is like a disclaimer for all the young girls who are listening to this podcast or listening to me speak. Because if I had not found Parvez at the right time, I would have literally probably died. Because you cannot survive on one apple a day, and then what happens is you start plateauing, and मतलब आप सिर्फ एक सेब खा रहे हो लेकिन फिर भी आप गेन किए जा रहे हो on the scale. And I had no knowledge about that, right? I was 40, what kgs?
I think 46, 47 at that time.
40,
Yeah.
46, 47. And for my body structure, that was very, very, very petite, because I'm pretty broad. So I remember कि मैं आई और मैं ना वर्कआउट करती रहती थी. एंड परवेज ना पीछे से I would be like, why is this creep staring at me? What is his problem? Why is he staring at me? इतना अजीब बंदा है. And परवेज ऐसे देख रहा होता.
By the way, just to let everyone know कि उस वक्त मेरी और मरियम की ऑलरेडी बातचीत थी. It was not like कि मैं किसी random लड़की को I was telling.
He was checking literally. मेरी परवेज की उस तरह बात नहीं थी. Like I knew he was like a trainer at the gym, but the only thing was वो ऐसे देख रहा होता था because he knew I was doing everything wrong. मैं आती थी, मैं डेडलिफ्ट करती थी, मैं पूरा प्रोग्राम मेरा गलत होता था और ये मुझे देख रहा होता था ऐसे गुस्से से कि ये कर क्या रही है. और मैं सोच रही थी oh my god, ew, what a creep, why is he staring at me? It was so funny. And then how did we start talking? I don't even remember my mom brain.
थोड़ी बहुत because we were in the same gym और बड़ी छोटा सा जिम था वो, तो बातचीत तो नॉर्मली होती रहती थी. लाइक हाय हेलो थी, बट कुछ इंसिडेंट के बाद हमारी एक बातचीत हुई थी कि you asked me if we can train together. If you remember that incident, I'm not going to go into that incident.
What? I want to know.
वो आई थिंक ऑफ कैमरा में बताऊंगा कि क्या इंसिडेंट था वो. बट किसी एक इंसिडेंट के बाद यू आस्क्ड मी कि वी कैन ट्रेन टुगेदर. एंड उसके बाद हमने साथ ट्रेनिंग. उस वक्त भी यू डिडंट जॉइन मी एज अ क्लाइंट, क्योंकि मैंने बताया था मैं इस टाइम पे ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ. इफ यू वांट टू कम यू कैन कम एंड यू कैन जॉइन मी. और वो टाइम था सुबह के 6 बजे. बाय द वे सुबह के 6 बजे
he was like, I think it was also like a project for him to understand. आप यही करते हो ना, आप किसी पे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो, आप किसी को ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देते हो, एंड यू वांटेड काइंड ऑफ दैट, you had it in your head कि I'll teach her, and then we kind of hit it off as well because I felt like we had like the same kind of energy. We kind of like to hang out and speak and have our morning coffee together and just discuss, and have intellectual conversations or hard conversations or just like lame conversations that we cannot speak about right now. A lot of lame conversations. But it was always so much fun, like, discussing it with you. Like, I would be like, oh my God, मुझे परवेज को बताना है. So it was more like, it was never a trainer kind of relationship. It was more like he was my mentor / bestie. And he knew everything that was going on in my life. And he knew everything about my weight fluctuation, my hormone fluctuation, my cycles. Like, so it was also like, it taught me a lot when I started giving out trainings, as to how to behave with clients, how to train clients, how to do programming, how to do, focus on nutrition. And also, like, everything that I've learned, I never think I had the chance to thank you for it, but everything I've learned is
I'm giving you a chance right now. Thank me, please.
Why are you like this? So thank you. Like, I've learned a lot from you. And Parvez, I still to date tell everybody that he's a walking, talking institution in itself. A lot of things that I've learned have been from Parvez. And I'm still learning, and there's so many transformations that I've given and seen and implemented on myself because of your support. I feel like आपको एक बंदा चाहिए होता है जो आपको थोड़ा सा push करता है to kind of like reach your potential. I don't think that I was in that mental state at that time at 17 to push through to where I've come now in terms of knowledge and in terms of my physique.